Namaste, my dear students. I hope you are all very safe and stay healthy at your home. So, I am your EVS mentor for this October month. So, today we are going to discuss about our new lesson, that is safety first. Our lesson name is safety first. In this lesson, we are going to cover some interesting topic, that is safety at home and outside our home. Safety at home and outside our home. Shall we move on the topic, guys?
Look at this picture, guys. Now we are going to find the mistakes what was happened in this picture. Look at this picture carefully. One knife is kept on the table, so that is unsafe for us, and some toys is also laid on the floor, so it is also not safe for us. Even the gas stove and the oven is not properly turned off, so that is also not safe for us. So in this lesson we are going to discuss about what are the safety rules we should follow at our home, even at road. So these things we are going to learn today. And look at this picture. Some toys are kept on the steps, and one person came and met the accident because of laying on the toys. So falls can be painful. நம்ம கீழே விழுந்துட்டோம்னா நமக்கு பயங்கரமாக பெயின் எடுக்கும். So falls can be painful. So we should put our things away so that no one trips over them. No one trips over them. We should put our things away so that no one trips over them. நம்ம விளையாண்டு முடிச்சதுக்கப்புறம் நம்மளோட திங்ஸை ப்ராப்பராக இந்த மாதிரி பாக்ஸ்லையோ இல்லை லேடர்லையோ போட்டு ட்ராக்கில் போட்டு பத்திரமா வச்சுக்கிறணும். Second thing, do not climb onto chairs, stools and ladders. Do not climb onto chairs, stools and ladders, and lean over to reach things. Lean over to reach things. நமக்கு மேலே திங்ஸ் இருக்குது, எனக்கு எடுக்க முடியலை அப்படின்ட்டு we should not climb on the chair. சேர் மேலே ஏறுறதோ ஸ்டூல் மேலே ஏறுறதோ இருக்கக்கூடாது. If you are climbing on the chair or stools means, if it is slightly slip mean definitely we can fall and get some pain. So we should not climb on the chair, stools and ladders. Do not lean out of windows and balconies. That is also very dangerous for us. So we should not lean out of windows and balconies also. So we should not play these dangerous places if the wall or railing is low. And next one, kitchen. Safety in the kitchen. We should be careful in the kitchen. Do not play with the sharp things like scissor, knife and blades like this, because it's very sharp. While playing with this kind of sharp things, definitely we will hurt some injuries in our fingers. After that we will get a pain. So do not play with the sharp things like knives, blades and scissors also. And do not touch the stove over the oven. Do not touch stove or the oven, because they could be hot. They could be hot. So we should not touch the stove or oven. And do not play with the fire also. And never ever play with the switches. That is the main and important thing. Never play with switches. Not only on switches, even plugs and wires also. Because if we are touching on the switch, plug or wires means it could get on an electric shock for us. It could get on a electric shock for us. So never play with switches, plugs or wires. Okay guys, so now we move on the next safety one at road. Now we discussed about safety rules at home. Now we move on the next safety rules at road. Road safety. Road safety. If you are crossing the road or street, always tell our parents or any grown up elders from us. Always tell our parents before we go out and do not walk around alone. ஸோ எப்போ நம்ம ரோட் கிராஸ் பண்ணுறதா இருந்தாலும் we should get the permission from our parents and go along with our elders or parents. That is a very safe thing for us. So always tell our parents before we go out and do not walk around alone. தனியாக நம்ம எங்கேயும் போகக்கூடாது. Next thing, walk on the footpath and cross the road at the zebra crossing. I hope you all know very well about the use of zebra crossing because in the previous year you learned the zebra crossing lines also. So, walk on the footpath and cross the road at the zebra crossing. Take the help of someone to go across. We should take the help of someone, especially from elders or parents, to go across. And the next thing, traffic lights. We should obey the traffic rules while driving. So traffic lights tell us when we have to stop and when we can go. So traffic lights for car, bike and so on. There is a two different type of traffic lights. If hereafter you can watch the two different type of traffic lights while driving on the road with your parents. There is a two different type of traffic lights, one for vehicles and another one for people. The traffic light for car, bike and so on, then other vehicles, red indicates stop and yellow indicates should wait and green indicates go. That's for car, bike and other vehicles. And the next thing, traffic light for people. People means red means people should stop and green means people should walk. Hereafter you have to identify the two different type of traffic lights while driving with your parents. Clear guys? And the next thing, address. We should know our residential address. Residential means our home address. We should learn the full name of our parents. ஓகே, நம்ம பேரண்ட்ஸோட ஃபுல் நேம் நமக்கு கண்டிப்பாக தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும். ஓகே, we should learn the name of our parents and name of our home address also. We should know our house number or name, our street name, the name of our area and name of our city. So what are the things we should know while write on the address or while communicate the address to other one? We should know our parents full name of our parents, and we should know our house number or name, street name, name of our area, name of our city. Why we have to learn our address? What is the purpose of this guys? ஏன் நம்ம அட்ரஸ் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும்? அதனால நமக்கு என்ன யூஸ்? Learn the name of our address. If we are ever lost and do not know the way home, tell a police officer our address and get help. ஓகே, நம்ம எங்கேயோ மார்க்கெட்டுக்கு போகிறோம், இல்லை ஏதாவது சூப்பர் மார்க்கெட்ஸ் எக்ஸிபிஷன்ஸ் அங்கே போகிறோன்னா, if we are lost, நம்ம வந்து எங்கேயாவது தொலைஞ்சிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா, immediately we can find one policeman and we can share our address and the policeman give the way and give some solution for us regarding our address. That's what we should know our address. That's what we should know our address. Clear guys? Now I am going to share some vocabulary things from these topics. First one, hurt. H-U-R-T, hurt. Look at this picture. That is the picture relevant to the word hurt. And the next thing, safety rules. S-A-F-E-T-Y, safety rules. R-U-L-E-S, rules, safety rules. That is the relevant to the safety rules. And the next one, false. F-A-L-L-S, false. Next, what is this? What's the boy is doing? She's crying. Why she is crying? Why he is crying? He got some pain. So painful. 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 Ful. Full. Painful. And next, what he is doing in the picture, ma? He is climbing on the table by using a chair. Climbing on the table by using a chair. Climb. CLIMP. Climb. CLIMP. Climb. And next, what is that? Chair. Is this chair? Is this chair or stool? Stool. Very good. STOOLS. 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 And this is ladder. Very good. I am hearing an answer from your side. Very good, guys. Ladder. LADDERS. 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 So these the vocabulary words I taken from this today's topic. You have to write these vocabulary words in your EVS classwork, guys, and read this vocabulary in a 5 times. That is also very important. So what are the things we learned today? We learned today what are the safety rules we should follow at home, and what are the safety rules we should follow on the road, and even we should know the address of our home, address of our parents full name, and one more important thing, we should know our school name also. So this is the important things. So we covered 3 different topics today. We will meet on the next EVS class in a different type of subtopics. Thank you, guys.